So hey everyone, welcome back to TechMesh. Today I have got something super exciting for you. We are going to turbocharge your computer's performance by understanding and managing the RAM cache. Yep, you have heard me right. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to lightning fast speeds. Now before we dive into the nitty-gritty of how automatically clear the RAM cache, let's talk a bit about why it's essential. Think of it as your computer's short term memory. It holds onto the bits of information that your system might need to access again in the near future. So it doesn't have to go through the slower process of fetching it from the hard drive or other storage devices. However, over time, this cache can become cluttered with outdated data, hogging valuable RAM space and slowing down your system. That's where automatically clearing the cache becomes crucial. It helps maintain optimal performance by regularly freeing up space in your RAM for new data and applications. So at first just let me show you. Just let me just go to my task manager, and in your task manager just go to your performance tab here, and here you can see just go to the memory in your performance tab, and then under memory here you can see the amount of cache available, like the amount of used cache in your RAM. So currently it is 2.9 GB for my computer. So just go to your task manager and check how much RAM cache you have in your devices. So now just go to a website. So this is the link that we will be using. So the software is called empty standby list. So it is currently not available. The website is down, but don't worry. We will use a Wayback Machine to access this website. All right. So just open a new tab and search for Wayback Machine, and then just press on enter, and then just go to archive.org. So just click on the first link, archive.org. The link will be also available in the description below. So now just copy this link, empty standby list. So copy the link of this application and then just paste it to the archive wayback machine, and then just click on browse history, and then here you can see the snapshot of the website. So select 2022. So mainly the page was available in 2022 at June. So click on 6 June 2022, and then here you can see two snapshots. So just click on the first snapshot here. So just click on this timestamp here, and then scroll down a bit, and here you can see the download link of the empty standby list.exe. So just click on this download link here, and here you can see that our exe file has already been downloaded. So it is around 136 KB or something. So now again just go to your Windows search, and now just search for task scheduler. So just open your task scheduler here, and now we will schedule some task for it to automatically clear the cache. All right. So here just click on create task at the right hand side, and then now here you can put any name here. Let's name it to RAM cache clear, and then click on change user or group. And now here you need to click on advanced, and in advanced click on find now, and in find now scroll down till you find system. So here you can see system. So here just double click on system, and now here you can see we have selected system here, then click on OK, and now here select run with highest privileges, and then in configure for just click on this drop down icon, and here select Windows 10 if you are currently running on Windows 10 or Windows 11 and above, and then after selecting the configure for and click on trigger, and now we need to here add some action. So just click on new, then here just click on repeat task every, and now after toggling it on, so here you can set the frequency. So for example we are selecting 5 minutes, but you can also increase the time to 10 minutes, 15 or 30 minutes depending on your needs obviously. And here for a duration of, so here we would select it for indefinitely. So you can also select the interval here as well. So here we are selecting indefinitely, and then just make sure it is enabled. So just toggle it on. All right, and then click on OK, and then click on action. So now we'll put the action here. So click on new here, and then here the action. So just click on here browse, and in browse we will select the exe file that we have downloaded earlier. So let me just go to my downloads here. So here is the exe file. So I have downloaded two of these by mistake. You can use any of them, and then just here click on OK, and then let's close it. With our task scheduler all set up, now you can set backs and relax while your computer takes care of clearing out that RAM caches every 5 minutes. So here you can see currently it is occupied to around 3 GB of cache. I will come back after 5 minutes to show you that if it is working or not. So here you can see now our cache has been cleared up. So here now you can see it is only occupied around 300 MB. And there you have it, folks. A simple yet powerful way to make your computer run faster than ever before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. As always, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Happy computing.